Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App. We go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Cash and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.